On top inside Edo today, APC leaders don put better gbosa on top Oshiomhole suspension. Leaders of All Progressive Congress for Edo don hail the suspension wey dem give national chairman of the party, Adams Oshiomhole, sake of say na im dey cause the katakata wey dey shele for the party for Edo State. Na the 18 local government area APC party chairman for Edo na im pass vote of no confidence for Oshiomhole. Dana say dem no trust am may be their leader again, and na this one na im carry the suspension matter come give am. Ogbonge member for APC for Edo and na im be former political adviser to Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, Dana Charles Idahosa. He tok say the suspension wey dem give Oshiomhole na wetin oyinbo dey call e don dey overdue. That means say e don tey wey dey suppose give am sake of say na im dey cause the katakata for the party, and dem no fit get person as national chairman for the party make e come still dey sponsor the wahala wey dey shele for im own place. Charles Idahosa tok say national chairman suppose dey work on top how e go take add more states put for APC with election wey wan shele for Bayelsa and Kogi, and make dem no lose the only state wey APC get for South, that na Edo State. As he tok say dem don lose plenty states give opposition hand since Comrade Oshiomhole dey the power. As Idahosa tok say make the national chairman focus on the wahala wey dey shele for Bayelsa State, as e be say APC fit lose sake of say Federal High Court don disqualify the party candidates for Bayelsa State governorship election. APC leader for Edo South, Reverend Michael Egharevba, he tok say the suspension waka well as this one make am tell APC leaders for the state say dem no go let wetin happen for Zamfara make e come shele for Edo, the one wey be say the party no come get candidates for the election. As he tok say dem no go allow Oshiomhole to continue to dey cause katakata for the party, as the members and the leaders of the party no get trust for am again, the one wey dey call no confidence. Now here we see am reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo APC leaders don put better gbosa for Oshiomhole suspension sake of say the katakata wey dey shele for the party for Edo State. Make una no come forget say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey yarn and dey give una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.